Hello everyone, myself is Varpesh Yog Subhash in SY BSc Computer Science. I have prepared a presentation on topic contents of C. Contents of C. First point is introduction of C. Second is uses of C. Third is importance of C. Fourth is historical development of C. Fifth point is C data types. Sixth point is constant and variables. Seventh point is header files. Introduction of C. C is a general purpose high-level language which is developed for Unix operating system. C is structured programming language, which means that is allowed to develop program using design, control structure, and develop modularity. C is also called as middle-level language because it combines the best element of low-level language or machine-level language with high-level language. Uses of C. It is used as a creating system software like operating software, device driver. It is used as a creating application software like Google Chrome, Firefox, etc. C language is used to creating computer software. Importance of C. C is very simple language. There is only 32 keywords, so C is very easy to master. C is very structured language. C is highly portable. C is middle level language. C is also called as mother of some most other language. C is very fast to execution speed. Historical development of C. ALGOL or algorithmic language is developed by international group in 1960. BCPL means Basic Combined Programming Language is developed by Martin Richard in 1967. B language is developed by Ken Thompson in 1970. Traditional C is developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972. ANSIC means American National Standard Institute is developed by ANSIC committee in 1989. ISO-C means International Standard Organization is developed by ISO committee in 1990. Data type. A data type defined as set of values and operation that can be performed on them. See data type. There are two types of data types: primary data type and derived data type. Primary data type contains integer, floating, character. Derived data type contain array, pointer, structure. Union. Constant. Constant is the fixed value that do not change during the execution of program. The C constant, there are two types: numerical constant and character constant. Numerical constant also have two types. First one is integer constant and second is real constant. Second is character constant. Character constant also have two types: character constant and string constant. Variable. A variable name to give one a temporary memory location that has been used to store any value over program. Variable declaration. Syntax is variable. Data type, variable name. For example, integer size. Header files. There are multiple header files in C language, basically commonly used in these four files. stdio.h means standard input output header file. Conico.h means console input output header file. String.h collection of character make string. Math.h this file used for mathematical function. Structure of C. Documentation section. Documentation section contains name of program. Next is link section. The link section provides the instruction to the compiler to link function from the system libraries such as variable called global variable are declared in a global declaration that is outside of all function. This section also declares all the user defined function. Next is main function. Every C program must have one main function. This section contains two parts: declaration part and executable part. Declaration part means declare all the variable used in executable part. And executable part, there is at least one statement in the executable part. And sub program section is function.